Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of multifamily properties in Propwire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of multifamily properties in Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate business, you know there's no sense in wasting your advertising budget on properties that you're just not interested in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of multifamily properties, where it makes it pretty easy. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to choose your farming area. So it could be your county, it could be a city, it could be a zip code. That really depends on the population of your area. So for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and use a zip code. So I'm going to click right in here and I'm going to type in a zip code. Let's go ahead and do 90815. Once you see the area, click on it right below. Okay, so immediately Propwire is going to show you how many properties they have logged in that area. So looks like there's about 12,000 properties in that area. So we're going to go ahead and filter that out by multifamily. So click here on the top, property types. Once you do that, go ahead and choose either multifamily 2 to 4 or multifamily 5+. So the difference on that is usually the lending guidelines are going to be different between those two types of properties. For today, I'm going to go ahead and choose multifamily 2 to 4 units. So that's going to be like duplexes or fourplexes. Immediately, Propwire lets me know there's about 385 properties that are multifamily in that zip code. So that's a good size list if you're going to be doing some farming. But if you want, you can filter it down even more. You can go ahead and maybe click here on price. You know, if you're not buying, $3 million multifamily properties, maybe you can go ahead and put a maximum here. So let's go ahead and put a maximum at 1.75. Okay, now you can see there's 376, and then you can click here on more. Once you click on more filters, you can go ahead and filter this down even more. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and click here on owner filters. And then I like to click on individual because I like to buy from individuals, and click on save and close. Okay, so that drops it down to about 218. So you can also filter it down more by square footage, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms. That's really up to you depending on what your guidelines are. And once you're done, you're going to see a property list right here. So these are all multifamily properties in that one particular zip code. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of multifamily properties using your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.